Okay, you know how a hot air balloon uses a flame to put hot air in the balloon so it can go up? That's exactly what a lantern does. Let me show you. Okay, this is the super secret, way effective way to light your lantern like a total pro. This is your lantern kit. Right here you have your prayer flag. You're gonna take that off, use that separately. All you're gonna do is open this thing up, get it ready to go. This is good to do at about this time of day when it's kind of light out. Now all I'm gonna do is open this thing up, and then when you lay it out, that's the best time to draw your message on the lantern. Get it ready. Use the marker earlier in the night, get it ready to go so you're not rushed. Then when it's time, you're gonna take the lantern, hold it right here. You have the bamboo ring and you have the fuel cell. So all I'm gonna do is shake it out. The big idea here is you wanna turn this lantern into a hot air balloon. So you wanna completely fill it with hot air. First step, I'm gonna light the fuel cell. And I like to hit all four corners and make it climb the ladder, as we say. See how the flame kind of goes up there? Now once it's lit, if you wanna fill it with hot air, this is where I see people go wrong. They hold it like that. See, all that air can come out, the wind can take it. It'll take forever for the hot air to get in there like that. So, what you wanna do, this is the secret move. You ready? Pro move, hold it down to the ground right here and hold your hand on the top. Now you just have to wait for it to fill up. Remember, it's not a race. Take your time, take as long as you need. What I like to do is I put my hand right here at the top and you can kind of feel like a basketball when it's ready to go. So right now that lantern's not going anywhere. So if I take it up and throw it, not gonna work. So I just gotta sit there, hold it a little off the ground. Okay, that's ready to go. Okay, now watch this. If you wanna get the perfect photo, what you're gonna do is hold it by the ring right there, hold the lantern like that. See how good of a photo it is? That's the photo you want. Look at that. So that's the photo you're looking for. So I'm holding it low, it's starting to glow. I think it's time to let it go, right?
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Oh.
You gotta wait for the most important part.
Okay.
We gotta all do it together.
Got it. Okay, so how do you know when it's time to let them go?
It's time to let them go when we see the glow in the field. As soon as we see the glow, we're gonna start our 10-second countdown and we're gonna all release these things together.
Ready? All right, let's go. There we go, now it's ready. You ready to follow me? So watch. You can hold it up right there. That's the shot you want.
Yeah.